January 7th.
It's January 7th.
Right, the wrong date, but it's January 7th.
No, it's not the wrong date. It just says...
You just said the 8th, right?
No, it just says something else here.
Oh, look at me. I'm not going out shoveling. Goodbye.
You were reading your paper and having your chamomile tea.
Trying to read for hours.
She's been trying to read for hours, but she does not luck.
This is the issue.
We're expecting 20 inches or so.
Cold, patio.
Going out to the snowstorm. Anthony.
Not taking any chances.
Looks like Swamp Man. What do you call it?
Looks like Swamp Man for sure.
Head to
He's
toe.
got all his boots on. He's all set up. There's Jean standing by the door. She's waving. She says goodbye. The snow is pretty deep out here. Anthony's just kicking away the beginning here.
Yep.
It's not even the
There he is. He's all set up there.
Oh, you can't. Don't say I'm more than 15 minutes too cold.
Go ahead.
All right. Head out here.
Go ahead. Go out. Out at the door. Oh, he's really digging away at the snow here. This snow is really deep.
Did you see through that? I know. Did you see through that?
Yeah.
Did you hear him?
Yeah, I could see him.
The snow. It's in the house.
Out here, look what it looks like. Really coming down pretty good.
There's Daddy getting ready to go outside. I'm back inside 5 minutes later. Going outside. Let's get the picture of the storm. Snowing. Windy, cold. Hear the tree creaking a little bit too. Dad. What? That tree is creaking a little bit.
What tree?
One of them. I don't know. I hear it creaking.
What shovel do you use? That one?
Yeah.
Was the snow heavy?
No, light.
Light?
Mask on and everything.
I'm on my way
Going
out.
out.
On my way out. Can you clear the road? Yeah. Can't see. What the heck is that?
You can't see. Can't see with the mask on. Alright, I'm going to shut it off. Back in a little while. Dad doesn't want to stop. I came in about 5 minutes ago. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Back in from the cold. Freezing out.
I think the snow is coming down too hard.
I'm not sure.
It's like a fighting battle. You can't win.
Yeah.
It's too hard.
Hey, Ma. Ma.
What?
Okay, look.
Yeah, put the camera away, please.
Okay. As we did hard shoveling all day, Mom was sitting here relaxing on the phone.
Relax.
Possibility of 18 to 24 inches of snow. Unbelievable. Through Monday. No work tomorrow. Tomorrow, shoveling, dealing with cold. Schools are closed. If there are any questions at all, call your school director. Okay, I'll continue this tomorrow, Monday. Let's hope it's not too bad, folks.
This is a special report from News Channel 4, the blizzard of '96.
Well, good evening, everyone. They said it might be a record setter, and that's what we're getting.
Record-setting snow. In the blizzard of '96, most areas are under a state of emergency at this hour. Roads, airports, schools, pretty much everything shut down. It was a struggle just for people to stay on their feet on the New Jersey boardwalk today, and it's only getting worse. Conditions no better on the Long Island Expressway, where cars are only able to crawl because of the weather. Snow plows are keeping busy, but they can barely keep up with the volume of snow dumped today. And in the city, buses, cars, and cabs are stalling and sliding in the snow-covered streets. At least 2 feet are on the ground so far in many places, making travel treacherous to say the least. Let's go to Janice right now for the first look at her forecast. Janice?
Thanks, Jim. It's still coming down. No let up in sight. Not just yet. Not until early in the wee hours of the morning are we going to see some decrease in intensity. We still have heavy snow across the entire tri-state area. Back down towards Philadelphia, they've got 2 feet on the ground. Back towards Baltimore and Washington, we still have snow, and our low-pressure area is still far to the south. It's just off the coast of North Carolina, and tonight it's got a ways to travel before the snow lets up. By tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, when a lot of us may be waking up, it'll be just off the Jersey shore. and we expect the intensities to decrease then. By 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, it'll be well off the shore of Cape Cod, and by then most of the snow will have come to an end. But by that time, by noon at least, we will have anywhere from 22 inches to nearly 3 feet of snow right here in the immediate tri-state area, with heavier amounts back towards the Philadelphia area up to 3 feet. More details on the blizzard of 96 coming up in just a few minutes. Back.
Yep, 11 o'clock news. Time to go to bed. Now we just sit here and wait. Will the lights go out? Will we lose power? We don't know. Here we are. Monday morning. Cars are buried. Neighbors are shoveling. White. That's all I see is white. There's Ken. The car very slowly moving. There you go, Dad. There we go. Round 2. We're deep. It's Ken.
Yeah, look.
It's Ken. Ellen. Yeah.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah. Round 2. I'm all bundled up in my ski mask again. Ken's over there somewhere, or Ellen, one of the two. Big pile of snow right there. This is crazy. Blizzard 96. Up there, Lindbergh Park Hill. Can't see if anybody's up there. Yep. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. Gary? We even got Gary helping us now. Gary's here. He loves it, right?
Love it. You know who I am, Alien.
Mommy.
Alien.
My car. That's cleaned off now.
That's my windfall. Blizzard of 96 and Anthony's here, right?
Yeah. Deep, deep snow.
Where are they living up they move away.
Well, there you saw it. Blizzard 1996. What a blizzard it was. 24 inches of snow. A lot of snow shoveling for everybody. School closings, no work. Most people had off today. Went into work late. I went in late. Tomorrow's back to a regular day. Till next time. Peace.